I have a cabin in buttfuck nowhere, Colorado. I decided to go up there for a couple of weeks. No internet. A single landline phone. State of the art for the 1980s. On Wednesday, April 10th, Colorado had a blizzard. It wasn't too bad in cities, but where I was, it was horrible. That's all the background you need to know. Be sitting in my cabin, stoking the fire during buttfuck blizzard. Hanging out and watching some DVDs on a CRT older than Father Time himself, since I can't go outside. Constant howling of the wind. Turn up volume. Eventually, get up to piss, so I pause the movie. Wind is no longer howling. Didn't notice since TV was blasting. Find it strange since it's been doing it for 4 hours. Now, thank fuck it's over. Take a few steps until I hear it. Click. Look around. Literally have never heard this clicking noise, and I've been up there for 5 months now. Click. Realize it's coming from outside. A branch probably snapped and hit my cabin and is rocking back and forth or some shit. Fuck me. I'm not going outside. I can deal with the noise. Standing in bathroom. Begin to piss. Click. Annoyed. Finish up. Walk outside bathroom. Click. Realize there's no consistency to the clicking sound. Can't even expect it. Happens whenever. Sit back down and continue to watch movie. Turn volume down since the wind isn't howling. Clicking speeds up. Multiple times a minute. Fuck it. I'll go take a nap or something on the other side of the cabin, so I can't hear it. Walk into bedroom. Clicking begins. My bedroom is like 50 feet from the TV, but the click is just as loud. Like it's following me. Try to ignore it and go to sleep. The inconsistency of the clicking breaks me. Throw on snow gear. Time to fuck up this branch for making me go outside. Walk to door and brace myself. Open it swiftly and feel Old Man Winter fuck me up the ass. Quickly walk out and shut the door. Walk around cabin in blinding snow, looking for a branch like an idiot. Make multiple laps and can't find the asshole. Assume it finally got loose and flew away. Go back inside. No clicking. Feelsgoodman.jpg. Go to take the nap. Fall into a deep slumber. Wake up at around 2 p.m. Click, 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 click. Start to feel uneasy. Don't give it a second thought, and I throw on snow gear. Go outside. No branches. No howling. No nothing. Go back inside and go from mad to upset because I can't figure out what the fuck the sound is. Click, 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 click. Walk to different rooms to try to escape it. Click, 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 click. How the fuck is it following me throughout the cabin? Moments of realization. It's not coming from the sides of the cabin. It's coming from the roof. A rational thought has gone out the window from the sound of its fucking clicking. Snow gear and walk outside. Storm was calmed for now, but it's foggy. Can only see like 20 feet ahead of you. Walk around back and grab my ladder. Prop that shit up. This ends now. Begin to climb up ladder and stop. I could only hear the clicking inside, even over the howl of the wind. DEFCON 2. X warned me about this. Climb up high enough to be able to see the top of the roof. At the top, I see a pale figure. Heart stops. DEFCON 1. The figure is hunched over. It's sickly thin, and I can see its spine. It's angled where it can't see me, but I can see it. See it moving slightly. Look slightly down and see it has, on hand, a fingernail that's probably 6 inches long. Literally, just tapping the roof. It stops. Slowly turns its head to me. Black eyes, and small slit for mouth. No facial features besides that. Almost like a crude drawing of a fucking alien. Begins to stand up. By the way, it's true. Your life does flash before your eyes when you think you're about to die. It stands up, staring at me. Probably 5 feet tall, give or take. Walks to edge of roof of cabin, never taking its eyes off me. Hops down on the ground. I can see it land, and it slowly backs away into the fog towards the trees. Never stops locking eyes with me. Petrified. Probably didn't move for 5 minutes, or at least felt like it. In the blistering cold, gripping a ladder. Snap out of it. Climb down ladder carefully. Don't even bother to take it down. Realize I'm in shock. Calmly walk around cabin and go inside. Walk around house and turn off lights and put out fire. Grab keys and walk out. Don't bother grabbing anything else besides my wallet next to my keys. Store my pick back up, but I literally am in some kind of trance I don't even notice. Close door, and don't bother locking it. Slowly walk to car, open the door, get in, start it, and swing around. Still in shock, I drive for hours until I reach a motel. Shock is wearing off, and I can feel myself ready to fucking go crazy. Quickly get a room, and now I start feeling adrenaline and rush up to my room. Open it, and close it, and start freaking the fuck out over what I saw. For a few hours, I am freaking out in a hotel room. Calm down. And slept for about 16 hours. I drove back up to the cabin. Fucking bolted inside, and grabbed my phone, ran out and locked the door, and got into the truck and sped off. After reading all the stories on X, I was more surprised than anything that I didn't immediately flip out, but went into shock for hours. I got home a few hours ago, after driving for a while and stopping multiple times to take a breath and not flip out, and not flip out again. I think one thing people forget to mention is that fear comes in waves. I'd be driving and be totally okay, then suddenly, it would hit me, and I'd have to pull over and just sit in my car while I calmed the fuck down, and didn't drive like a paranoid schizophrenic or something. Came home and made myself a drink, and typed all this out. Don't know what I'm going to do with the cabin. Don't care right now. Night, assholes. Thanks for listening. Oh, and no. I didn't smell blood or copper. Grab some guns and friends and go cryptid hunting. I guess I'll respond to this one, since I just went to brush my teeth and just came back to turn off my computer. Fuck that, man. These people who say they want to try and hunt these creatures after seeing them are LARPing. I have zero desire to try and fuck with that abomination. I'm not about to risk my life or people I love on some fucking meme hunt for a creature I believe is intelligent. This isn't hunting a deer. It's not like a deer will come back to attack you while you're walking through the forest. It's like hunting another hunter who knows the woods better than you can, and obviously can climb since he was on my cabin. I don't believe these fuckers on here who said they stayed and tried to kill it or whatever. No man would ever see something like that and think to stick around.